A delicious, substantial salad full of goodness, very healthy, and it makes actually a full lunch. Very filling. All my favorite things are here. My lovely aubergines, which are so silky and gorgeous, and tahina dressing here, tahina sauce. You can use it with so many things: fish, vegetables, meat, of course. I have 3 smallish aubergines here, a bit too much for my salad, but I might as well cook them all. The aubergine will never go wasted if Karina is around. So I simply cut aubergines into long wedges. 1 large pepper and 2 large tomatoes, cut them in half. Everything goes to the oven, 180, until aubergines are absolutely soft. No seasoning or oil whatsoever, plain as they are. And here I'm weighing my lentils for the purpose of this video. Cumin, salt, dry thyme, and some Aleppo chili flakes. So meanwhile, I'm quickly making tahini sauce. Stir tahini well, as it tends to separate to a heavy sediment and lighter liquidy top. 2-3 tablespoons of that. 1 clove of garlic. Half a teaspoon of cumin. Salt, of course. Boiled water. I actually use here quite hot water right from the kettle. Just enough to dilute it to a dripping consistency, sauce-like consistency. It's hard to give you exact proportions here because tahini varies in thickness, of course. Just try, test, and see, and make it to your taste. Juice of half a lemon went in at the very end, and just try and adjust your seasonings. You know the consistency you want, you know how garlicky or lemony or cuminy you like your sauce. And the goodness does not end up here. A handful of parsley, which I chop finely. We won't need chopping board anymore. Once the aubergines are absolutely soft, take them out. For good measure, you can cover the tray with a kitchen towel, leave it like that for a few minutes. And if the skin literally falls off very easily, that means you cooked your vegetables well. So the lightly spiced, soft, absolutely at this stage, lentils go to salad dish. Split vegetables into the long strips and mix them lightly with the lentils, and top the salad with extra olive oil, tahini sauce, and chopped parsley. Enjoy!